kindergartners, and happy Thursday. It is the last day before your spring break starts. So, to get started today, we are going to play Snap. Miss Schneider is going to hide a piece of her 5, and you are going to figure out what piece is missing. Are you ready? So, 1, 2, 3, snap. Do you know what my other part would be to make 5? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 make 5. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, snap. Do you know we have 1? What's the other part to make 5? If you said 4, you are correct. 1 and 4 make 5. Are you ready? Snap. What's my other part? I have 5. My other part is 0, right? Good job. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, snap. What is my other part to make 5? We have 4 and 1. 4 and 1 makes 5. And we're going to do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, snap. We have 3. What's my other part to make 5? My other part is, my other part is 2. 3 and 2 make 5. All right, kindergartners, today what you're going to need to get started is you will need 10 linking cubes that change at 5. So it looks like this, 5 of one color, 5 of another. You're going to need 10 teddy bears. So I'm going to go ahead. I have my 10 teddy bears. And I'm going to need you to have your personal whiteboard. If you have your personal whiteboard, you need it to be blank, okay? There can be nothing because we're going to use it to draw and to write our number sentence today. And you're going to need a dry erase marker. I'll see you back here in a little bit. All right, kindergartners. The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to get out your stick of 10, all right? So let's go ahead, make sure you count it, and make sure there are 10, in fact. You need 10 cubes, all right? I'm going to go ahead and write 10 in my hole. I would like you to break off 3 of your cubes from the end. Break off 3. How many are left? Let's see, 5 and 2 more makes 7. All right, so we had 10. We broke off 3. I'm going to make a 3 and then cross it off. That means we are left with 7. Now, we can put this number bond into a number sentence. So down here, if you want to write a number sentence with me, we can write a nice quick number sentence. So we started off with how many? 10. Now we broke off 3. So we crossed it off because it's not there anymore, okay? We took it away. We took away 3. We need to know how many are left. So we need our equal sign. And how many did we say were left? There are 7. Very good. Now remember, we're taking away, okay? We didn't put any more to it, so we're not adding. We're taking away with a subtraction sign or a minus sign. Go ahead and erase and put your cubes back together. We're going to do another one. All right, kindergartners, we have our 10 blocks. Go ahead and put a 10 in your number bond. And this time I want you to break off 4 blocks. Go ahead and break off 4. Maybe. There we go. Break off 4. So I'm going to go ahead and write my 4. Make sure I cross it off so I know. And how many are left? 5 and 1 more makes 6. We have 6 left. So let's go ahead and make this into a number sentence. We started with 10 cubes. We broke off how many? 4. We're using our minus sign because we broke them off. They're away now. 4 cubes. How many are left? We have 6 left. Very good. Go ahead and you can put your cubes to the side. This time we're going to be drawing. you're going to need to have your number bond. And if you have a number bond drawn on yours, that is fine too. All right. We're going to go ahead and get started. Let's listen to my problem. It says, Ellie has 9 grapes. Can you draw the grapes on your board? Go ahead and draw 9 grapes. All right. Ellie has 9 grapes. She shared 4 grapes with a friend. How can we show that in our drawing? What could we do? Yeah, let's cross out those 4 grapes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 grapes crossed off. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 left. So we had 9 grapes. We crossed out 4. Now there are 5 left. Let's make that into a subtraction sentence. Are you ready? We had 9 grapes. Then we took some away. How many did we take away? 4. So how many are left? 5. Very good. We need to make sure we say our equal sign for how many are left. That leaves 5. Very good. Let's read this. 9 take away 4 leaves 5. Very good. All right, we're going to do another story. Are you ready? Go ahead and erase. And this time I need you to draw 10 grapes for me. 10 grapes. All right. Oops, our sleeve. So our friend Ellie has 10 grapes. She shared 8 of her grapes. So if she shared them with someone else, they're no longer hers. We're going to go ahead and cross off 8 of those grapes. 8 grapes. How many grapes did she have left? She has 2. Let's go ahead and make this into a number sentence. We had 10 grapes to start. She gave or shared 8 grapes. So she gave them away. They're no longer hers. That means she's left with 2 grapes. 10 take away 8 equals 2. All right. Now I want you to erase this, put it away, and get out your bears. All right, kiddies, I need all 10 of your bears out, and you can line them up. If you need to pause the video, feel free. All right, so we have how many bears? 10. We have 10 bears, and we're going to pretend that 4 of our bears are asleep in a cave. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take 4 of them. Excuse me. I'm actually going to put them over here. Okay? 4 of them. 4 of them went to a cave. I'm going to go ahead and make my 4, cross it off. Okay? So how many bears are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That leaves me with 6 bears, okay? Now, let's see if we can make this into a number sentence. Are you ready? So how many bears did we start with? 10 bears, and then 4 of them went to sleep in a cave, right? I have my 4 over here, 4 bears in a cave. So now I need to know how many are left. That equal sign lets me know how many are left. And we said there are 6 left. Let's read it. Are you ready? 10 take away 4 leaves 6. Very good. You are doing awesome. You could go ahead and do some more problems with your bears if you wanted to. Put your 10 bears back up there and see if you could make up some stories on your own. If you want to do that, go ahead and pause the video. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to our problem set for today. We are on problem set number 34, a 3 and a 4. Go ahead and get that out, and we're going to do it together. All right, kindergartners, so we have our worksheet for today, and it says there are 9 babies playing. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 crawl away. Oh, and look, they drew them crawling away, didn't they? If it helps your brain, you can also put a cross through them so that you know that they're crawling away. All right, so we had 9 babies. 2 crawled away. How many are left? We have 7 babies left. So make sure you fill out your number bond and your number sentence. Ooh, we're going to do another one with babies. Here we go. There are 10 babies playing and 1 baby crawls away. So here's our 10 babies. 1 is crawling away. So we're going to go ahead and put our line. Or if you want to leave it, you don't want to put it because you know that that one's the one that's crawling away. You're going to count how many babies are left and fill in your number sentence. Then it says down here there are 9 babies playing and 6 babies crawling away. Holy moly, these babies are fast. How many babies are left? So we had 9 babies. 6 are crawling away. That means there's how many left? And fill out your number bond. On the back, it has squares. It says the squares below represent a cube stick, just like this one. Carlos had a 9 stick. Let's count and see if he has 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He broke off 4 to share with his friends. Now, here's what you can do, kinders. You can cross off your 4 blocks, or if you want to break it at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you know that these are all crossed off, you could do that, okay? It says draw a line to show where he broke his stick. So Ms. Schneider drew a line. And then you're going to go ahead and write your number sentence and fill out your number bond. He started with 9. He broke off 4. How many are left? Then down here it says Sophie had 10 grapes. Go ahead and draw her 10 grapes. She ate 6 of the grapes. So go ahead, cross off those 6 so that you know. They want to know how many grapes are left. Make sure you fill in your number bond and fill out your number sentence. And the very last one says Spot had 10 bones. So you're going to go ahead and draw 10 bones. If you can't draw bones, you could draw circles or a rectangle. You just need 10. And he hid 8 of them in the ground. So go ahead and cross off 8 because he hid them in the ground. They're no longer there. How many bones does he have now? You can fill out your number bond and fill out your number sentence. All right, kindergartners, this is your last worksheet, and then you are free for spring break. We will see you back on April 5th. Bye.